If you guys are preparing for JEE exam, then here is a good news for you. Google Gemini recently released a update. Now you can generate practice set for JEE using Google Gemini. Let's follow upcoming instruction. Open Gemini app in your mobile. You can also search Gemini in any web browser. Now type here prompt. I want a practice set for JEE exam. JEE is a highly competitive engineering national entrance exam in India. Here you can see Gemini generating practice set. Click on open. On top right corner you can see timing of JEE exam, and syllabus is divided into three parts: mathematics, physics and chemistry. Tap on start. If you want to show correct answer after each response, you can turn on this toggle. Then tap on start test. Read all question carefully and take time to solve all question. Here I am selecting random answers. This question is different from other question because here is no option to select answer. We have to type. This is our last question. Here is the option of submit. Tap on it. Mathematics section is completed. Now you can start other section. I am selecting random answers. You can take time. This is our last question. Now tap on submit. Click on yes submit option. So here you can see this is our scorecard of JEE practice set. You can check your timing and how many answers are wrong and right. So it was a demo video. If someone from your family is preparing for JEE exam, share this video with that person, and this practice set is totally free.